Welcome back to Fast Money. Even as the S&P had its longest winning streak in 20 years, some of the Fast Money fans who attended our last live event have questions about the recent market volatility. Let's take a listen.
Hi, guys. This is Mike Arrington. I'm the 82-year-old Marine Corps veteran from Chicago who's watched your show from the very beginning. In fact, I don't think I've ever missed a show in almost 20 years. My question: with central banks depositing so much money in gold as opposed to treasuries, what would happen if the dollar lost its reserve currency status?
By the way, Mike recently celebrated his 82nd birthday by skydiving for the first time in more than 50 years. So happy belated birthday to you, Mike. That is amazing.
Unbelievable.
That is unbelievable.
I mean, he is such a bad, you know what? I mean, it starts with an A and it has two S's after it. I mean, Mike he's a throwback from another time. Met him at our event. We spent a lot of time talking about family and other things, and he's also a great trader. So love the fact that he's watched every show. And to answer your question, finally, after all that, Mike, I think gold price would double, maybe triple. I mean, in other words, the gold's rally is a function of fear of U.S. Dynamics, and I think slowly over time, that's why it goes higher.
But what do you think the odds of that happening, the dollar losing?
Not high. Okay. Not high here in the short run. But I think diversification away from the dollar has been happening for 25 years and will continue.
Let's take another question.
Hi, I'm Andy from Atlanta, Georgia. And I had the great pleasure of attending the Fast Money Live event in February, where I got to meet all the investors and the talented Melissa Lee. My question for the investors is, with all the uncertainty of the tariffs, where is the best place to put new capital to work today, considering a 5-year time horizon? Thank you.
Well, we applaud you, Andy, for putting in the time horizon, because that is very key in terms of deciding what to recommend. Bonman, what would you say?
Yeah, so I'm going to kind of take my cue from that 5-year time horizon. I would probably not depend too much on tariffs, given the ability for them to kind of be altered, removed, re-implemented, et cetera. What I would look for more are what are like the overarching secular trends. And what I see is AI, cloud security, data security. So I would be focused there. Cybersecurity, names like CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, et cetera. That's where I would be deploying new capital over a 5-year time horizon. All
right, let's get to our next question.
Hello, Fast Money. My name is Tom from Charlotte. I had a fantastic experience at the CNBC Fast Money live event back in February. But back then, no one was talking about a recession. But today, everyone is talking about it. So my question is, which trader is willing to put their reputation on the line to predict a recession or no recession by the end of the year?
That would be a lot to lose,
Boom.
Tom.
Wow.
Okay. Steve Grasso. What do you say?
You're up. Sure. Yeah.
You're up. Mr. Bitcoin.
It's not a loaded question right there. I think when you're predicting a recession, you're always wrong. What's the saying? Economists have predicted 11 of the past 8 recessions, right? So it's always in hindsight that you could tell when you were in a recession. I don't think we're going to go into a recession. I think there's too much positive on the horizon. And as far as the autographs, did he ask that, or he didn't ask that?
No.
You didn't put that in?
That was sort of behind the scenes. That he did ask about the value of the Fast Money Trader cards, which we did hand out as a gift.
The aftermarket on these things. I mean, I hear they're
crazy.
Going through the roof. It's either that or a 52 Mickey Mantle rookie card, and that might have just rookie year, by the way. Don't look me up on that. No, those trading cards are cool.
I mean, they're worth exactly how much they were worth before.
I mean, I'm willing to flip cards, and let's see what we do. Let's do it.
All right. If you want your questions answered by the traders, join us for the next Fast Money Live event here at the NASDAQ on June 5th. Folks are coming from all across the country, even from Australia. So join the party, scan the QR code on your screen, or head on over to cnbcevents.com/fastmoney. Get a ticket. Get a couple. There are a few left. So get on the action while you can.